Hey everyone, want to learn how to use Figma as a beginner? Here's the easiest way to get started step by step. Let's go. Open Figma, then click Design at the top right corner. You'll see your blank canvas as this is where you design. Then press F on your keyboard and then choose a frame size from the right corner of the screen. This is your design screen. Now press R to create shapes and press T to add text. Keep it simple as you are just focusing on the layout. Click any object and then change color, resize it, and then adjust spacing. Everything is controlled on the right side panel. Then click Prototype at the top, and then copy and paste and edit. Then connect one screen to another, and then click Play to preview. Now your design is clickable. Then click Share Prototype, and then copy the link and send an invite. Others can view or edit your design. And that's how to use Figma. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Follow for more Figma tips. See you next time.